Hi there, my name's Jamey. Before Learn by Design, I had the opportunity to work with a bunch of really interesting companies and get hands-on in a bunch of really interesting industries. I've worked in places such as Rolls-Royce, manufacturing airplane turbine blades, maintaining control systems in road tunnels across the UK, and even helping engineer new technologies to develop renewable and clean sources of energy. But the one thing that I've always been passionate about is space. Okay? And one of the sessions that we offer at Learn by Design is a session called Stars in Space, where you can learn about the greater universe that we're a part of and all of its intricacies and cool facts. And what we also get to do is make your own constellations. And here's one I made earlier. It's a big J, because I like the letter J. It's my name. Now what you can also learn about is your part in the wider universe and how things work day to day that you might not have known about, such as how the sun works and how different wavelengths of light can make the wider universe look very, very interesting. One thing I really like about space is just how mysterious it is. We've learned quite a lot over the last 1,000 years, from knowing that the Earth is actually a sphere to knowing how big the universe actually is. One cool fact is, did you know that it takes 8.5 minutes for light from the sun to reach Earth? And that is light travelling at the fastest speed in the universe. You can learn all that and much more with the Stars in Space sessions with Learn by Design.